Hi everyone, welcome back to Travel Simple. Today is my day 5 in New Zealand, and I am heading to the Auckland Strand railway station. I enjoyed my time in Auckland until I was harassed by 2 drunk Kiwis on Ponsonby Road the other night. What can I say? Dramas find their way to me. I'm at the check-in for Northern Explorer. I've arrived 40 minutes before the departing time for checking in my luggage. If you are taking this train, please do allow enough time for catching an Uber. There were almost no Uber cars available at 6:30 a.m. today. The check-in was super quick. The staff was very friendly. Let's check out the train compartment. You cannot choose or request seats, as the system assigns the seats to you at check-in. I'm in the scenic class, the standard class. If you like a more luxurious dining option and more comfortable seats, you can book Scenic Plus, the premium class. Check out the Great Journeys New Zealand website for details. I have linked it in the description for you. You use the headphones provided to listen to the GPS triggered commentary about the views and scenery along the train ride. I love how wide and clear the windows are. The panoramic train compartment feels spacious. This is great for anyone with claustrophobia, and for OCDs like myself, you can keep an eye on your carry-ons through the see-through overhead shelf. There are power sockets and then USB ports for charging your phones and laptops. You can recline your seats. The legroom is generous. I'm starving. Let's go to the scenic cafe carriage. I've got a cheese scone, pancake, and tea. The views are amazing. The most exciting part of this train trip is the open-air viewing carriage. It's quite windy though. Selfie sticks are not allowed here for safety reasons. A lot of people are getting on and off at Hamilton, which is the 4th largest city in New Zealand by population. The Sunday is out of this world. The view of the rolling farmlands of the Waikato region is soothing. If you like train journeys, here are some facts for you. The Great Journeys. New Zealand operates 3 iconic scenic train routes across New Zealand, each showcasing dramatically different landscapes. They are the Northern Explorer on the North Island, the Coastal Pacific, and the Transalpine on the South Island. My train journey from Auckland to National Park on the Northern Explorer takes about 5.5 hours. There are 4 stations between Auckland and National Park. The train departs at 7:45 a.m. and arrives at 1:10 p.m. Otorohanga is 15 minutes from the famous Waitomo Caves for glowworms, black water rafting, and walking. You can also see native birds in Kiwi in their natural habitat in Otorohanga Kiwi House and Native Bird Park. It's a pity I can't do everything in one trip. Remember, this channel is Travel Simple, not Travel Relentless. So here I am, the National Park Station. I'm staying in the Waimarino, previously known as National Park Village, for 2 nights. Waimarino means calm waters. There are less than 200 residents in this village. It serves as a major gateway and base for outdoor adventures in the Tongariro region. Do you know how many national parks New Zealand has? Find out the answer in the pinned comment. I love watching trains. Train nerding out moment here. It's a 15-minute walk from the station to the hotel. This house is beautiful. I'm having a walk around after dropping luggage at the hotel. When you are not hiking or skiing, you can play mini golf outside Schnapps Bar or do indoor climbing at National Park Backpackers, formerly YHA National Park. This huge Kiwi driftwood sculpture was handcrafted by a local artist from ancient driftwood recovered from forests destroyed during the historic Taupo volcano eruption. I have to find out which one of these peaks is Mount Doom from Lord of the Rings. Schnapps Bar is a cozy, friendly place to hang out and chat with the locals. You guys must try the New Zealand beer. It's so refreshing. These spicy chicken wings wake me up. I have to make a decision quickly about which hiking path I want to do tomorrow given the factors of weather, my knee, and my fitness level. I have to book my transport and get trekking poles. But first I have to rent trekking poles. Let's get going. It would be nice to sit here for a hot chocolate. I have arrived at Snow Zone just in time. The lady at the shop was so friendly. I want to do a biking tour next time if I visit again. Got my poles, they will save my knees. This lodge looks so cool. I recognize this tourist from the bar. I want to have a look at the sheep over there. This is Mount Doom. There's nothing here. The sheep are back to their sheepfolds. I'm having a relaxing night at the restaurant at my hotel. Come back for the next episode and find out where I have decided to hike in the national park. That's a wrap. It was a lovely day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in the next one.